Traditionally, if you wanted to make a high-performance metal part, you needed a factory, a massive budget, and a complex mold. But what if you could skip all of that? What if you could grow solid metal out of nothing but dust? We start all with metal powder. It is spreaded in a thin, even layer. Then a laser fuses it exactly where the design calls for solid material, layer after layer. We build a fully solid metal object. As we brush away the excess powder, the design emerges. Because there are no molds, we can create geometries that are physically impossible to make using most traditional methods. If your project needs to dissipate heat efficiently, or withstand stress and time, this is what you may consider. Metal printing is available at W501. Come talk to us about what you're building. Let's turn your ideas into solid metal.